Good morning, beautiful people. So this is my first vlog back to work. I've been off for 10 days because I wasn't feeling well, and the symptoms that I have, I couldn't fly. So back to work. I left last night at 10:55 was my show time, and I had one leg. Now in the new city, and it's now 7 a.m. So it was a long flight. Yes, it was like 4 hours flight, and right now 7 a.m. they have breakfast downstairs, but it's like $16 for breakfast. That's just too expensive, and I'm trying to save my money, honey. I got things to do with this money, okay? So I brought my own items. I'm just gonna eat that, warm that up, and we have a microwave, so that's great in the room. I have to go anywhere. But before that, I am gonna go work out real quick because I haven't been in the gym for the past 10 days because I had my asthma and breathing issues, so I had to avoid the gym for a little bit. So I'm gonna go into the gym today, work out, then eat something, then go to bed because I'm tired as heck. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do right now. It's cold outside. It's like 30 something degrees outside, but the wind is atrocious. Okay, the wind is really bad out there, so won't be going anywhere today. One of my crew member, the chaser, she said she's going to out on the town to the mall and stuff. I ain't trying to go no town mall. I ain't trying to do all that. Cause next thing I go and I see sales and I'm gonna spend my money. I ain't trying to do all that. So I'm flying lead today. Lead is not bad at all. It's great. You get a little bit of extra pay, more responsibility, but it's all right. As long as you know the rules, then you'll be all right. So let me go change into my gym outfit, go downstairs, do like a 45 minutes workout, and then come back up and eat. I'll talk to you guys in a few minutes. Okay guys, so all right guys, so I just came back from the gym. Right now I'm microwaving some oatmeal. It's 8:30 I believe. Only worked out for like 45 minutes. I don't know what's going on with this microwave because I don't know why it's making so much noise. It should work fine now. So worked out for like 45 minutes. That was good. Since I haven't been in the gym for a while. Get my heart pumping and stuff. Get my six-pack going. Well, I'm trying to get a six-pack, but it's not there yet. I'm gonna take me a nap, probably get up around like 3, work out again, eat something, or eat something and then work out and then get ready for bed. Since my my van time is at 4:30 in the morning. This is it's like a 4-day trip, but it's basically a 3-day trip because yesterday we left around 11 something p.m. so that's why they said it was a 4-day, but it's not really a 4-day because on the 3rd day we're going home, so it's not a 4-day trip. The way how we calculate stuff is weird, but it's like a 3-day at the end of the day. So I'm gonna eat this oatmeal, hopefully it's warm, and take a nap because I am exhausted as heck. And yesterday I wanted to get up early in the morning to do Postmates and Uber Eats, but I didn't have a chance to do that because my honey bunny came over, spent some time with me in the morning before I leave on this trip. And since when I come back it's gonna be Christmas Eve, so we had a great breakfast and stuff like that before I left, and he had to go to work, so spent some quality time with each other. So that's why I didn't end up doing Postmates or Uber Eats. But when I come back, they can have some great bonuses going on. So I'm definitely working on that to try to work those hours that they have the bonus and get a little extra money on the side for Christmas. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay guys, so right now it's 7. I got up around 3 something, 3:10 or so, and decided to do some editing. I just posted a video. It's about from a flight attendant to a Postmate delivery. From a flight attendant to Postmate delivery. Something like that is the topic, but definitely check that out. Also in that, I put my referral code in the description box, and also the website that you can save money. Ebates and Retail Me Not. Those are good websites. One of them give you discount codes to a lot of different companies, and the other one is while you're shopping you're getting some sort of money back. For me, with all the Christmas shopping and stuff like that I've been doing, I end up getting like 20 something dollars back in my PayPal account. So that's, you know, $25 is something that I didn't have, so at least I can use it for gas, or maybe buy something, a little gift or a gift card or something like that, you know, for a family member or whatever. So that's good items for you guys to know about. I am going to, after I got up, I ate my dinner. So I'm gonna go do a second workout, and then after my second workout I am gonna make my thickum shake, because I haven't have enough calories for today. I know in order for you to gain weight you have to have like over 1,000 something calories a day, which I don't have most of the time, so I need to bump up the calories. That's why I'm gonna drink my thickum shake. It's basically a weight gainer, guys. I just call it thickum shake because it just sounds cuter. So I come back, that's what I'm gonna do, and have a shower, remove my makeup, and my nighttime routine regimen and stuff like that. Okay guys, so I'm back from the gym. I took my weave off because I need to remove my makeup, wash my face, brush my teeth, shower, get ready for bed. Right now it's 8:30 and I was supposed to be at bed at 7 p.m. because my van time is 8:30. My van time is 4:30. That means I have to get up by 3 o'clock. So I need to take this makeup off real quick, jump in the shower, and go night-night. So I did my second workout, which I'm so happy because now I'm starting getting back into the gym. My layovers for this month, for this continuing month, is decent layover. Next month is decent layover, so I have enough time to work out and all that kind of stuff. So my thing now is that when I'm home, I need to work out when I'm home now. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the mañanas. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do so. Click the notification button, and I'll see you guys in the morning. Yeah. Good morning, everyone. So right now it is 4:01 a.m. and Vegas time it is 2 or 3:02. No, it is 2:02 a.m. in Vegas time. Getting some coffee, mocha coffee. This I got from the 99-cent store for 99 cents. I'm eating some boiled eggs and some spicy sausage. That's what I'm gonna eat for breakfast. And today I have 2 long legs. They're 4 hours each. I don't get to my destination until after 1500. So it's gonna be a long day today. And I'm back home tomorrow. So I'm happy. Christmas Eve. I'm happy and excited. I don't know what I'm gonna do on Christmas Eve. It doesn't even feel like it's Christmas at all. It's like flight attendant lifestyle is like, you don't really feel the holidays like that. Like, you know, you don't feel like Valentine's Day when it comes around, New Year's. You don't really have that because we run on like a 24-hour clock that is non-stop, so we don't really feel all that stuff, but kind of excited. I'm gonna eat this up and watch something on Netflix real quick to get my mind ready. I was listening to Sarah Jake this morning, and I'm gonna listen to her in the morning time, or some other people in my church or whatever worship in the morning time before I start my day. And watch a movie, finish, eat this, and then head downstairs for my shuttle at 4:30. Hey beautiful people. All right, so I had an early morning showtime today. Right now I'm at the other hotel, my next destination. I have 3 legs, long legs. It's now 6, so yeah. And I went to the supermarket, guys. Let me tell you what I get at the supermarket. All right, so this is what I got from the grocery store. This is already pre-cooked, guys. I just either finish in the microwave or the oven, and this is good for like 3 meals out of this. So 3 meals out of that. And then I have this. Oh my gosh, so good. This is fried shrimp, and then I have the clam chowder, and all this were under $20. Yep, that's what I'm eating for dinner. So I'm gonna save some of this for tomorrow, for my next flight tomorrow, because I have 2 4-hour flights. So I'm gonna save some of that for my 4-hour flight. I might eat this tonight and this, and eat some of this. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm just hungry as heck, so I'm gonna dive in.